Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Surfer. So in this video, I will show you how to delete YouTube channel permanently. So to delete this, follow the step-by-step tutorial. So it's really an easy method. Firstly, you have to go to one of your browser and from the search option you have to search. Then you have to go to youtube.com. So there will get and you have to click on this option and click on YouTube Studio. So now we are in YouTube Studio. So from the YouTube Studio, you have to scroll down and go to setting. And from the setting, you have to go to channel and click on advanced setting. And scroll down and there you will get manage YouTube account. So click on this and you will get the option advanced setting. So click on advanced setting and scroll down here and in there you will get delete channel option. Click on delete channel. Click on review Google account. Here you have to provide a password. Then you have to click on next. And here you can hide your channel or you can delete your channel permanently. So click on I want to permanently delete my content and check the two box and click on delete my content. So there you have to provide your channel name. So you will get it here. Copy and just paste it here. So delete my content. So here you can see this your content is being deleted. So it will take a few minutes to delete. So thank you so much for your time. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to subscribe button and see you in the next video.